We still have a very weak pound, and that is stock market bullish. This is the only index which I can have clear-cut direction, and so I can trade it based on the currency and based on the trend and the price action. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It is Thursday, 1 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the yen, the Swiss and the US, short on the pound, the Australian dollar and the New Zealand. So let's kick off with the dollar index. Well, getting whacked very hard yesterday, bringing it back down the moving average, which I love personally. It takes us outside the rock and the hard place here between the medium and the long-term moving averages. But we got the close now, finding a little bit of support here, it seems, on this little structure here. So a retest there and a strong candle reversal, that'll be awesome because that'll give me clear-cut direction. I just hope this doesn't just straight move back into the range there, because that will predict a very, very sideways nature on the dollar. So if I look at this, my short term is still dollar bearish. My medium term is dollar bearish. The long term is dollar bearish, but my intraday still stays dollar strong. And that worries me of the bearishness here, because that indicator is usually an early predictor of what's happening here. So I would not be surprised if this keeps moving up from here. Not that I predict that, not that I say it will happen. If that's not going to happen, that should drop fast now. And because the intraday stays strong, although the dollar index shows a lot of weakness coming in. But we're getting the advantage of this on our gold trade. We got the long trade here, and it's flying. It's absolutely looking fantastic. So at this stage, guys, we're making a new high there. I think we can pull stop loss to entry here, wherever your entry is, that we don't lose money. Okay, I've set targets on previous videos, so please have a look at those videos. And so this stage shows that because this is a daily chart, this is intraday, this is 4-hour charts and 1-hour charts. All right, so this is definitely based on what I see on the dollar index charts, on the medium, short term and the long term charts. Definitely pushing, and we're getting the advantage of that. I would really love to see another all-time high there, pushing this right to our target levels, which is at 25.20 and at 25.60. I'm actually setting some of my targets at 25.95. That 2600 levels. My ultimate target for this bull run on gold is 3,000 up to 3,200. That's when I will start to liquidate my long-term positions. So right, I think it's good enough. So for now, it looks good. Bitcoin under pressure a lot. Seems like that 63 is the new 66, because 66,000 was a big level, but it's sort of starting to ignore it now and looking more at the 63 levels. You can see here a little bit of support coming in there, but resistance. As it broke, it retested there again and again, and it's testing it again. So maybe the new 66 is 63. Let's see. I would still be keen on a strong bounce here, but I would love it to stay above 66. That would be the big area for me. And then the ultimate break. That's what I'm after. I will not buy on a big basis here until I see a clear-cut new high there. So Bitcoin retracing under pressure, whole crypto market under pressure suddenly. There's a lot of fundamentals in this of Germany dumping a lot of Bitcoins. And then there's this funny name, GOG something. Sorry, I'm not a fundamental guy. I look at the technicals. And there was people losing money, and they're now refunding or giving the people their Bitcoins back after I don't know how long. And people are fearing that they will start selling those Bitcoins just to get their money out of the market. So there's apparently a few things. I hear these things, but I don't attend to them too much. I look at the technicals here, so let's see. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. On the FTSE, we've got the long year 2 days ago. Nice, almost bullish engulfing. It's more of a piercing line. We got the buy zone there. and our risk on this trade here was roughly 50, 60, and we got almost 100. So lightening up on those highs is 100% fine. Also going for those final targets up there, 100% fine. Now, trail stop loss in any language to this low here, right? This long lower shadow that shows market coming in at support levels, and the stop loss can be about 83.29. Right? So that seems to be the level I need to put my stop loss. We still have a very weak pound, and that is stock market bullish. This is the only index which I can have clear-cut direction, and so I can trade it based on the currency and based on the trend and the price action. All the others are very difficult, not giving clear-cut signals. So I'm sticking with the FTSE and looking good, locking in about 50 points and still going for those targets as previously explained on previous videos. In the euro yen, euro neutral yen green zone, I want to be short here, but I need a retracement back here, this last directional swing. Nice structure coming in here between 50 and 60% levels. I will then look for a candle reversal there, and then I'll do some shorts. New Zealand yen, also looking for the short. New Zealand gaining a little bit of strength. It was bottom of the pile, then second last, and now it's up there. So slightly nervous on this. A short on the New Zealand will give me a long on the yen, and that's what I can do here. So a retracement back to the 50-61% level, right? The structure there. I'll look for a candle reversal. I'll be slightly cautious. I'll just keep an eye on that New Zealand. If that moves up too fast, I will then step away from this. In the pound yen, big swing, retracement needed. Pound red zone, yen green zone. I want to be short pound definitely, so I can short this one here at structure there between the 50 and 61% level. That'll give me the option on a strong candle reversal. Pound Swiss, also very nice drop down the page. Pound has got heavy. There must be fundamentals on this, but the retracement I'm going to need, I'm not chasing it down here. I need the retracement back to that 50-61% level there, right? The structure there. That's the area I'm going to watch for today. If it doesn't retrace, I'm not going to do that. I'm not saying it will retrace. It's only if it retraces, I'll get interested, but I'll definitely not interested at these levels. US Swiss. Oh, we had a beautiful short on our mentoring program on this, and hitting targets beautiful. Yeah, that was a stunning trade for us, but I was on a mentoring program, not here. The retracement back to 50-61% level, right? The structure there, that'll get me interested. I got the dollar there, and the Swiss is switching. So the reason why I've got this here is in case I start to see the dollar drop now. So it's not a clear-cut one for me. So in this scenario where the US Swiss so close, I will not do the short. But I'm just looking at the probability that the first three I show you, the short term, medium, long term, if that takes over and I see a drop on the dollar here, then I'll consider this. So be cautious on this one. It's just not a straight entry. Might only happen tomorrow. US yen, also we had a stunning short on our mentoring program here, hitting all the targets. And now retracement back to 50%, right at structure. That's what I'm after. Dollar yen, yes, they're both in the green zone, but I need to be short dollar here and long yen. So this is an option. I will be cautious on this one. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.